Everyone, welcome back. This is Oscar, and take a look at this, everyone. Woke up hours ago, and Cardano ADA reaching third largest cryptocurrency by market cap, $70 billion, everyone, passing Binance Coin and Tether. And of course, now it's just looking below Ethereum and Bitcoin. I mean, right now, the global crypto market is 1.98, so reaching 2 trillion very, very soon. This video is packed with good news, so you gotta stay by the end of the video because I'm gonna tell you the news, the price predictions, updates you need to know, and as always, the technical analysis. Everyone, you see on the white horizontal line that's indicating the end of the year 2021 with some price predictions I will discuss, of course, because that's what we talk in the channel. Everyone, stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies, that long-term growth little by little. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much. Alrighty, so what's the reason Cardano is rising a lot today? Well, here's the idea. The plan, of course, is to add smart contracts next month. That's what Cardano right now is working on, and it could defy skeptics who have bet that the functionality wouldn't come anytime soon. So this functionality of smart contracts by the name of the Alonso upgrade is coming pretty fast here in 2021. Eventually speaking, guys, I'm not looking at the short term of this project. I'm looking at the long term, right? Because Ethereum wasn't created yesterday. And back when Ethereum was created, I mean, there were companies that were skeptical because it was blockchain. Then more people were coming in. And now we know that Ethereum blockchain for smart contracts is extremely popular and currently hosts thousands of dApps and DeFi applications that are changing the world. So Cardano aims to do the same, but the difference, of course, is that Ethereum is a proof of work and Cardano is a proof of stake. So proof of stake, much better for the environment, much better for more people to join in, of course, with less computational power. That being said, that's coming next month around September the 13th, Monday. So just get ready, because just by looking at the price right now of the announcement, which was August 13th, everything looks like buy the rumor, sell the news. It always applies. So just be careful to manage your risk. We may see a drop. I'm going to get much in depth with that once we see the technical analysis. But in all, things are very bright for Cardano at this time. Of course, you have your pros and cons, people. I tend to be on the pros. I'm an ADA holder for the long term. Remember that. It's very exciting also, guys, to see here on Coinbase that the price of Cardano has risen for such a long percentage. I mean, 72% over the last month. That's great. The trading activity right now is 73%, one of the highest I've seen. The market cap, of course, almost 70 billion here on Coinbase. So you tend to see disparities from one platform to the other. So get used to that. And the popularity is number 5. That's great. And the typical holding time is even a lot, because some coins only have 1 or 10 days. So in this one, people believe in the project of Cardano, and this is just barely starting. I see it. One important thing, of course, that a lot of people question is what will be the price by the end of the year, by the end of the decade, by the end of the next 5 years. And honestly, guys, anything can happen, but the best thing we can do is buy and hold and have time in the market, analyzing the white paper, seeing who the founders are, see the utilization of the coin and the blockchain if that's the case, and boom, having faith, because cryptocurrencies, as always, this is tender that is bound to be regulated in the future. The government, US government in this case, it's trying its best to understand cryptocurrency. So just be aware of all the external factors when it comes to cryptocurrency, shall we? So price predictions, a lot of people, right? You can go ahead and do your due diligence online and see different price predictions for Cardano by the end of 2021. But my best recommendation, if you're watching, is don't just look at the end of 2021, because that will be just short-sighted. Think about in the long term, when finally cryptocurrencies are adopted mainstream. That's when you're going to see the real money accumulate. Coming back to the technical analysis, I'm going to use a Fibonacci retracement, and there you have it, everyone. Bam! Right now, the price is skyrocketing, passing all these resistance levels. Eventually, of course, I am I joined that perspective that the price should come back eventually. I mean, it has happened in different other scenarios, but yes, there you have it. Right now, already passed this consolidation level that it had at around this price of $1.30, completely shattering all the expectations, and now it's really at this point above the 78% on the Fibonacci scale. That's great. Now, let me go ahead and start shrinking this. And do we have more opportunity to go even above $3? That is what I think by the end of 2021 and starting 2022. These are some ideas of prices that I have by the end of the year. Anything can happen at the end of the day, but somewhere along the lines of above $2 and close less than $3.50 and above $2 and the price right now, that will be my scenario. Extremely conservative, but I still want to see what happens after, right, the Alonso upgrade, because I mean, this is a cryptocurrency and there are whales out there. What if they just decide to sell after the upgrade or before the upgrade? Then, of course, the price is going to correct, will come back, and it's going to take some time, right? Some couple of months or weeks to start getting back up to a new consolidation after the upgrade, adding that smart contracts feature. So think about that, right? Don't just stay hard that it has to be $4. If not, just leave. I mean, it's your money. You do whatever you want. This is not financial advice, but that will be my best recommendation. Alrighty, everyone. So now, one thing I also want to show you is helping you put Cardano in perspective, right? So I have Cardano here on the coinperspective.com, and the only cryptocurrency that assimilates and it's close to alike to Cardano will be Ethereum. Of course, the difference is that one is proof of stake and the other one is proof of work. But as we know, Ethereum is coming closer to Ethereum 2.0, so it's gonna be delicious to see the difference in the future. So there's a lot going on. The best decision right now is, of course, get time in the market. And I mean, what else can I tell you? So if we compare Cardano to Ethereum, that will be a target price for ADA, assuming that ADA right now will take the Ethereum market capitalization. The price of ADA will rise all the way, guys, to $11.90 per one Cardano. Are you hearing what I'm telling you right now? So that's insane, right? That's just comparing apples to apples in this case, because the two of them will have that smart contracts value proposition and the cryptocurrency as well. So that's great. For Cardano, there's not really more downside, because I mean, it's already number 3. So that will be Ethereum and Bitcoin to beat. And I do believe having Cardano in your portfolio, it's a great investment. And of course, guys, here's my latest portfolio upgrade and what I just bought very recently. I bought $300 of Cardano at around $2.16. And bam, it's already $2.21 and I'm making money, about $3 so far. And I'm holding on it. My entire cryptocurrency for Cardano will be here on Coinbase. Let me go ahead and show you. I have 857 Cardanos. That's a total of $800, which is great. So if I add up 857 plus 137, that gives me around 980 plus Cardano. So I'm very, very close to my 1,000 Cardano. So that's great. And by the end of the year, if I have a little bit more than 1,000 Cardanos, I'm going to be so happy. So let me know in the comments below how many Cardanos maybe you own and see the potential ahead for us ADA holders. And of course, if you want more information at this time right now, there's tons of news, there's lives. One thing that I really enjoy is that Charles, it's just big on YouTube when he goes live and starts talking. I think that's really refreshing to see in a founder for such massive cryptocurrency, because if you go back here, the only one who does the same will be Vitalik for on behalf of Ethereum, but for Bitcoin we don't really have anyone from the founders. So Vitalik from Ethereum and Charles from Cardano, the two founders, right? They're doing well and they're posting the lives online. I think this is just barely starting, everyone. So there you have it, everyone. Cardano just reached third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Nothing but extremely happy that I bought back in the day, but still if you remember telling you that I found about this cryptocurrency on TikTok and I thought it was a scam. I didn't buy it, but now I'm regretting. So you see, we all make mistakes. So don't worry, chill back, relax, and enjoy your investing journey. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. There's all my links down below for your free Bitcoin, free stocks, merchandise store. Become a patron and talk to me on Discord. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next time, everyone. Peace.